It's that time again. Time for a mail call. We've got here 2 mail calls. First one from Big Dog Leather. Let's check it out. Alright, got the first one here, Big Dog Leather. Check that out. That's a pretty cool sticker. Dig the logo, man. That's very nice. He's got a giveaway going on right now for a bracelet he's making, so go check him out. We will put a card, I don't know, right up here. We'll go ahead and do that. Put a card up there to link over to him. You can also check down there in the description, and I'll have a link to his channel as well. So definitely go check him out. He's got lots of cool stuff that he does with leather making. Put a little note in here. Here's my channel sticker and a card. Be well, my friend. Here's his card. If you need some stuff done with leather, check that out. Got his phone number there. And that's Timothy Palm. He's got Custom Leather Crafter. You can email him too. Right there's his email address. If you want to have something made, check that out. Alright, on to the next one. And the next one here is from Lone Star Rider. Man, he's got it figured out. He's got custom envelopes. He's got his own stationery there. Got plenty of stickers. I appreciate it, man. So, let's see here. He says, I saw that my sticker was not on your board, and it was time for it to be there. For some reason, I was unsubscribed to you. Well, I'll fix that, crazy YouTube. Yeah, I know they've been unsubscribing people lately. He also says, you have a great channel. Keep up the great work, and Happy New Year, my friend. Enclosed are some stickers. Hope to see you sometime. All right. Cool, man. Yeah, go check him out. We'll try again, see if I can do this and put a card up here linked over to Lone Star Rider. He's got a lot of cool stuff on his channel with motorcycles, and he's another one of the Texas boys. Heck yeah, man. Right there. Cool stickers. Got some big ones, got some smaller ones, and even a different logo there too. So go check him out. Got his description down there. Let's get them on the box. And there we go. Got a whole bunch on here now. It's starting to fill up, so I'm going to spill over to the front of this now. As always, got all of these channels down there in the description, so we got links to them all. Just go click down the list. We've got so many good channels here. Thank you all for your support. I really appreciate it. I love trading stickers. I want to do this box up right and just plaster the entire thing with everybody. I love watching all of your guys' channels. I try to make frequent stops to everybody that subscribes to me. So if you comment on any of my videos, please understand I've got a big list that I'm working through right now, but I will get to your channels. I will watch your videos. So I appreciate it. Your support is awesome, guys. I've got some more over here. We've got a few on the air compressor, and we've got a few more down here on the other box. So please, yeah, hit me up. If you want to trade stickers, just shoot me a direct message, or you can go to my About page on my channel. You can connect with me through there. Shoot me your address. I will send you one of my stickers gladly, and that guy is right here, which my wife designed. So if you want one of those, just shoot me your address and I'll get one in the mail. But that's all for today. Just making it a short and sweet one for the mail calls. Go check them out, and yeah, stay tuned. We'll have a lot more fun. Don't forget, make that cool stuff.